Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna guide you how to update BeReal on Android. It's a short video, so make sure you would watch this video till the end. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on notification in order to be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into it. Now to update the BeReal app, head over to the Google Play Store and on the search bar, search for BeReal and tap on the app. Here you can see uninstall button and open button on my screen. Now if you have any kind of update, then tap on update button and then your app will start to update and download to your device. After your app get updated, you can also see uninstall and open button on your screen. Now you can open your device by tapping on open button and you will be able to use latest version of BeReal app. If you don't want to update app manually, you can head over to your profile section, then to the settings, and from there tap on network preferences, and then you can see auto update apps option. Tap on it. Next you have to do is tap on done. After that, all the apps in your device will be automatically updated. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.